Hey there, Expediting Heating and Cooling. This is Don Cunningham, and in this video, I want to just talk about some things that you can do to increase your visibility online and bring more customers to your business through your website. I'm going to talk about three things that you can do. The first thing is content, and then citations and backlinks. Now, for content is means the word content that you is what Google uses to rank is the word content on your home page. So for Google to optimize your website, you should have a minimum of 1,500 words on your home page. But also included in that word content, you want to have keywords or words that are going to be used in searches that are going to cause your site to be found. You have about 392 words on your homepage. Okay, now this is one of your top competitors. They have they actually have 1,411 words on their homepage. Okay, now the second thing I wanted to talk about is citations. Now I have here the results of a Google search. On this side we have our organic listing, and on this side we have our map section, which we also call the map pack. Now what your citation is your name, address, and phone number in various directories across the internet. So I click on one of these here over in the map pack. This brings up your Google profile, and here you can see the name. Scroll down, and this will be the address and the phone number, and this is your NAP. And as I say, the important thing about the NAP is you want to have it listed in online directories. And these are some of the top directories that your NAP would be listed in. And in addition to these, there's still another couple hundred directories that your NAP can be listed in. And this is a website I use called Bright Local. And on that site, I can see exactly what directory your competitor is listed in. And then from there, you can match your NAP in those directories. In addition to that, and you can get your NAP listed in even more directories than your competitor, which is going to give you more relevance in Google. Okay, now the next thing I wanted to talk about is backlinks. The backlink is when one website links to another website online. And the site, it does the site being linked to, it gives it authority. And authority is a trust factor. Um, you could say that the backlink is like this site giving a recommendation to the site that is being linked to. And it's the authority, the higher your authority the website has, the higher the ranking is going to be. Okay, this is an analytical tool that I use called Ahrefs, and what it does, it gives me the background details that Google uses in ranking websites. So as I mentioned before, we want to have keywords on our content. So this is your competitor's site in Ahrefs, and it shows here they're being found for 15 organic keywords. I check on here. It shows the keywords that they're being found for. And some of them are their name, but there are other keywords that could be used in your content that would also cause your site to be found. Okay, on the overview, we see that they also have 257 backlinks, sites linking back to their site. We click here, we can see the exact sites that are linking back to that site. And what could be done here, you can get the same sites to link back to your site. But then also in addition to that, we could get more sites to link back to your sites, which would give you more authority than your competitor, also raising you higher in the ranking. Okay, now this is your site in Ahrefs, and as we can see here, you're not being found for any organic keywords, and you have no sites linking back to your site. So that means that a lot can be done to improve these numbers. As I talked about before, you can improve the keywords, and then we can get more backlinks linking back to your site, which would improve your ranking. Okay, so I ran this report again using your exact URL, and it still comes up with no organic keywords, but it does come up with 10 backlinks, which is still a lot less than the 270 that your competitor has. So we still need to work on getting keywords in your content and more backlinks linking back to your site. So that's it in a nutshell. We talked about content. You want to have a minimum of 1,500 words on your homepage. But also included in those words, you want to have keywords that are going to be used in searches that will cause your site to be found. And then we can also use the keywords that your competitor is using to, as far as starters, to get your keyword count up. Then we also talked about citations. You want to get your citation listed in more directories than your competitor, with giving you more relevance in a Google ranking. And then we want to get more backlinks than your competitor, which would also give you more authority. With all of these things are going to raise your your Google ranking, and cause your site to be found on the first page of Google search. So I hope all of this information has been informative for you, and I've told you something that's useful and that can help you. Um, these are all things that you could do on your own, but if you have any questions or you need my help, or you want to take a quicker route, more effective route, you can give me a call. My name is Don Cunningham, and my number is 714-473-0269. Again, my name is Don Cunningham, 714-473-0269. Thank you for watching the video, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. You have a great day.